Oh, hello everybody, it's me Nehemiah, and today I'm going to do a unboxing from my dad's Toreba wins. And people who never saw my dad's Toreba wins, you can check my channel and you might see them. So today we're going to unbox, well I already said it, but, so let's get to the unboxing. Also, sorry people for the recent, for not making videos for a while. It's doing a lot of stuff on my channel. Ooh, yes. We got blue marshmallows.
That's a Dragon Quest slime from the game Dragon Quest. Dragon Quest.
We got a Raichu.
No, that is a Jolteon. Turn it forward. Let's see his face. Boom. All right, go ahead. Gengar.
No, guys, we cannot drop this one. This one?
Ooh.
This one's not mine, but it's for my grandma.
It is for your grandma. That is a, oh, I forgot his name. It's a mouse type, though. Oh, Clefable.
I didn't realize all of this is Pokemon.
That is a Raichu Aloha form.
How do they know all this Pokemon stuff? You think they want Pokemon? This is Julian even told you this. Who this is?
That is Meryl. It's a big old mouse. I wish I could remember what that other mouse was called.
Wait, is this one for Nisi?
No, that one's for you. That's a Dragon Quest. Hey, what else we got?
I just realized these are all Pokemon.
Most of them.
Not most of them. All
Lucario.
of them are animals. I'm not sure I got hyped up for something.
You didn't even show us what they won. You just pulled them out. You gotta show them. What else? You put a bunch of stuff to the side. You didn't even show people what they were.
See you later, everybody. Well, I got a new line. That's 11. Thank you, everybody, for watching my videos and my videos on my Ula. And this week we might make a voice video.